Hey, what's up guys? Welcome into FTO. Today I've got something really special to show you. It is a Panasonic Mono VCR standalone, brand new in the box. This thing has never been taken out of the box, which is ridiculous because this thing is about 20 years old. So you're going to be able to get that brand new experience even though these are no longer manufactured. And the model number of it is PV-V4021. And a couple of nice features that it's got include trilingual on-screen display. You can switch between English, French, and Spanish. And then you've got a front AV input for recording, and then you can have a large display for the clock. And then you've also got some easy to use menus. This is Energy Star certified, and it has Omnivision. So we'll go ahead and bust it open. One of these flaps have already been opened, but the other one is still stapled. We're gonna have to pull that off. So we've got our quick start guide, the manual, and it also comes with the original Panasonic batteries and the coax cable. Normally you'd use the white and yellow cable with it, but if you want to use that one, you can. And then we'll go ahead and pull this out of the box. And this is the brand new VCR. Never been out of the package. You can see it right there. Not a single scuff on it. No one's even seen this one. It's pretty crazy. And it looks like this was manufactured in October 25th of 2001. And it was made in Indonesia. So let's go ahead and get it plugged in and we'll make sure that it checks out. And then we should also have a remote in here, of course. So this is going to be the original remote. We'll keep it in the packaging just so it remains untouched. To get it connected, it's really easy. All you've got to do is plug in the white and yellow cable into the output on the back, then connect the other end to your TV, and then plug in your power cord. So now we've got it all wired up. We can turn it on and we'll be able to see the display on the TV. So that's the VHS playing. This is an old tape, so this is going to look a little bit fuzzy just because of the tape, but the heads, of course, are going to be brand new, completely cleaned, so you won't have to worry about that. So that was all the basics of this really one-of-a-kind Panasonic VCR. You're not going to find these anywhere these days. They're no longer manufactured, and to get a Panasonic one is pretty ridiculous. It's going to be extremely reliable. In my opinion, these Panasonic VCRs are actually the best ones you can get, these compact design ones. It'd be nice to have a hi-fi one, which at the time of this recording we do have one available besides this one. But if you're looking to order one of these, you can give us a call or you can order online at forthelow.net. Thanks for watching.